Hello all. In this demo, I'll walk you through Microsoft WebIQ, one of the core services in the Microsoft IQ suite. WebIQ is built for AI agents that need to search and discover information progressively across web, news, video, and image sources. What makes it powerful is the speed and precision. Rather than returning full web pages like traditional web searches, WebIQ returns only the most relevant passages, giving agents exactly what they need and when they need it. This makes them very token economic. To showcase that, I'm using Microsoft Scout, which is one of the first autonomous agents that Microsoft built to act as the agent. It is very easily integrated with WebIQ using the MCP endpoint that the latter exposes. It implements an agent loop described through instructions in the WebIQ MCP skill that I have created. Let me walk you through that particular skill. So when I navigate to the extensions, you see that here is where it exists, the WebIQ skill. You will notice that the instructions describe the different calls that WebIQ support and when each of them need to be called. There are also instructions to scout how to display the response to the user. For example, when the user searches for videos, it must return a visual card in the response. Let us go ahead and use this skill. Before I do that, I want to show you how Scout lets you choose from a variety of models. In this case, I'm going to proceed with Cloud Opus 4.8. And I can associate a kind of persona to this agent. In this case, I've chosen a sarcastic teenager just for fun. Let me go ahead and ask my questions. I'm first asking it to bring me up to speed on the latest technological advances in the area of agentic loop and agent harnesses. I know there were discussions around this during Microsoft Build this year. I am asking the Scout agent to get me that. The Scout agent now loads that skill that I walked you through and then follows those instructions. And yeah, here are the responses. Let us wait for it to stream it completely. Okay, let me just scroll up to make sure I have all that I asked for. Yeah, I can see that it has given me a comprehensive response. I have citations to the source of that information too. And yeah, let me bring my your attention to this part here, where as a part of the agent loop, you'll notice that the Scout agent made two calls to the MCP news endpoint, one to the web search endpoint, and there was a call to the MCP browse endpoint to get me all the information. So now let me ask the follow-up question where it's going to be about videos related to the same topic. Again, in this case, you notice that the Scout agent called the videos endpoint of MCP. And just making sure that I have all the videos that I asked for, so which indeed seems to be the case. This concludes the demo.